This one truth can change your entire life, but most people will never face it. You keep wondering why nothing is changing, why life feels stuck, why success never comes your way. It's not because the world is against you, it's because you've stopped fixing yourself. The hard truth is this: no one's coming to save you. If you don't fix your mind, your habits, and your focus, you'll stay exactly where you are. Stop waiting for someone to rescue you. Not your friends, not your family, not even luck. The person in the mirror, that's the one who can change everything. You can't keep blaming life for where you are. Every time you make an excuse, you lose power. The world doesn't owe you anything, but you owe yourself the effort, the fight, and the growth. So look in the mirror and say, "It's on me," because that's where real change begins. You won't always feel motivated, but you must stay disciplined. Discipline is doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. It's waking up early, working harder, learning more, and refusing to quit. Pain will come, but that pain will shape you. Every struggle is building your character. Every failure is teaching you a lesson. So stop seeing pain as punishment, see it as progress. You are not broken, you're becoming stronger, sharper, wiser. Fix your habits, and your habits will fix your life. Stop chasing motivation, start building consistency. Stop waiting for approval, start believing in yourself. You don't need anyone's permission to rise. You already have what it takes. Your future begins the moment you decide to stop running and start acting. Fix your mindset, fix your attitude, fix your direction. Because once you control your reactions, you control your destiny. It's not the world that needs to change. It's you. The hard truth is simple. No one can fix you except you. Not tomorrow, not someday, now. Because the day you take full responsibility is the day you become unstoppable. Remember, no savior is coming. You are the savior. So fix yourself and rebuild your life from the inside out.